The following are some of the existing storytelling tools listed and described by NAPAN 2018. Staler, Staler. This is a free storytelling application developed by Mumbo Labs, which lets you create and photos and video stories with an emphasis on design. Stellar is the place to go to create and share all the things you experience. Just open the app to quickly and easily post a special moment and stories about your favorite adventure. Question: how to use a Stellar app? First, choose an engaging picture to use for your title. Your front cover should summarize the topic and invite the reader to choose your story. Second, don't make your stellar too long. Stellar allow you to choose up to 20 pictures which give you a good clue. Try not to make your story over 20 pages. If you have more to say, split your story into parts. Use text. What sets Stellar apart from other apps such as Instagram is that it is a multi-modality application. Stellar focus on the story. By adding text to your picture, you can create something truly unique. Number 4. Connect with the community. Like every social media platform, interacting with others on Stellar will gain you popularity. You can share, like, and republish other people's stories into your own collection. Choose the prime time. This is one easy. We all do on Facebook, Twitter. Choose the best time to publish your stories to get the biggest audience. Number 6. Hashtag exists on Stellar too. Just like Twitter, people can search hashtag to find what they are interested in. So make sure you choose carefully. Number 7. Plan your story. Some of the work on a Stellar is very professional, so try to keep up. If you're going to a museum or seaside, have an idea of what you can write about and take an appropriate picture. Number 8. Post regularly. The key to success on any social media is consistency. The more you post, the more the followers you get. Number 9. Link your seller to the other network. Link your Facebook, link your Twitter, link it to everything. Everything. The farther you push your story, the better you will do. Number 10. Share, share, share. This is one pretty obvious, right? Share your story everywhere you can.
Number 6, Book Creator. Book Creator is an open-ended book creation app that unleashes creativity. Create your teaching resources or have your students take the reins. Combine text, images, audio, and video to create interactive stories, digital portfolios, research journals, poetry books, science reports, and instructional manuals. So yung sa Book Creator, dito nakafocus yung yung pagiging creative ng isang estudyante sa tulong ng technology. Example po ng Book Creator ay yung Canva na app. C. Enhancing language skills through email activities. Email activities are very good activities to develop language skills. So bakit nga siya sinabing very good activities to develop language skills? Dahil through email activities, ito yung most effective way of learning English as a second language. Ito yun yung way upang magkaroon ng communication ang bawat isa. Pen pal activities. This is the most common form of email projects called electronic pen pal or EPALs. Students can practice their communication skills and can be aware of other cultures practice foreign language skills. This can be done through the following: Belonga, EPAS, and Empatico. So yung pen pal activities ay nakafocus lamang siya sa regular written communication skills ng bawat isa. Yung Belonga, teachers and students with ability to connect, communicate, and collaborate with their peers and locally and globally. EPALS, connection ng K-12 to share the content and ideas and collaborate projects. Next, yung empathico, which is yung connect through video exchange. Example po nito yung mga video call. Number 2, peer-to-peer tutoring. Another form of electronic communication is peer-to-peer tutoring or mentoring. So, sa peer-to-peer tutoring, ito yung nakafocus siya sa teaching, ito yung learning technique ng mga collaboration and teamwork to gain a knowledge. Ito din yung nagre-resulta ng better academic achievements ng mga estudyante. Number 3, as an expert. Email is very powerful tool for students to engage the experts in the fields, especially if the experts are far from their institution. So, sa as an expert, ito yung question and answer community that allows students to submit question they like to explain by their tutors. Last, number 4, round-robin stories is an round-robin stories approach. A participating class starts with one paragraph. So, yung round-robin stories, yung example ko nito yung mga fiction stories.
Publication requirements in the light of the digital age. While there is a ubiquity of productivity tools for students to maximize, it is your responsibility as the facilitator of the learning process to ensure that your students will be fully guided to observe several guidelines in publishing their products. It must be noted that the development of high-quality digital learning products and materials involves a complex combination of subject matter expertise, instructional design knowledge and technical skills, graphic design, photography, audio, video, computer programming, etc. Waldy 2004. So, ayon po kay Waldy, may mga productivity tools na para sa mga mag-aaral katulad ng Google Docs, Google Drive at Microsoft OneNote. Bilang isang facilitator, responsibilidad nila na tiyakin na yung paggabay sa mga mag-aaral na sundin yung mga alituntunin sa pag-publish ng kanilang mga products. At dapat tandaan na sa pagbodo po ng mga dekalidad na produkto at mga materials sa digital learning, dapat may kadalubhasaan sa paksa, kaalaman sa disenyo ng pagtuturo at mga technical na kasanayan. At graphic design, photography, audio, video, computer programming at marami pa ang iba. And with the engagement of all of this, it is very important to be mindful of the following. Una po ay copyright laws. Copyright law protects works of authorship. Hence, it is very important for teachers and students to learn more about copyright laws and copyright acts to ensure that there will be no copyright infringements that will happen in the process of authoring or publishing materials offline or online. So, pinoprotektahan daw po ng batas ng copyright yung mga gawa ng mga original na may akda kung kaya't mahalaga na higit na matuto both teachers and students yung mga batas about copyright upang matiyak na wala silang malalabag o walang paglabag na mangyayari sa pag-publish ng mga materials offline man ito or online. Now, according to FindLaw 2020, the Copyright Act states that works of authorship include the following types of works. Una ay literary works. So, yung mga examples po nito ay novels, non-fiction prose, poetry, newspaper, articles and newspapers, magazine articles and magazines, computer software, software documentation and manuals, training manuals, catalogs, and brochures. Pangalawa ay musical works. So, dito po ay, halimbawa nito ay ang mga songs, advertising, jingles, and instrumentals. Sunod po ay dramatic works. Mga examples po nito yung mga plays, operas, and skits. Pantomimes and choreographic works. So, mga example po nito ay mga ballet, modern dance, jazz dance, and mime dance. Next po ay pictorial, graphic, and sculptural works. So, mga example po nito ay photographs, posters, maps, paintings, drawings, graphic art, display ads, cartoon strips and cartoon characters, stuffed animals, statues, painting, and works of fine art. Next po ay sa motion pictures and other audiovisual works. Ang mga example po nito ay mga movies, documentaries, travelogues, training films and videos, television shows, television ads, and interactive multimedia works. Next po ay sound recordings. Dito po yung mga recordings of music, sounds or words. Next po ay architectural works. Yung mga halimbawa po nito ay yung building designs, whether in the form of architectural plans, drawings, or the constructed buildings itself. FindLaw 2020 further states that copyright law is important for multimedia developers and publishers for two reasons. So, isinasaad po ni FindLaw na ang copyright daw po ay mahalaga para sa mga multimedia developers and publishers sa dalawang kadahilanan. Una po ay original multimedia works are protected by copyright. The Copyright Act's exclusive right provision gives developers and publishers the right to control unauthorized exploitation of their works. So, ay mga provision daw po ng mga eksklusibong karapatan ng mga Copyright Act ay nagbibigay sa mga developer at publisher ng karapatang kontrolin yung mga hindi otorisadong pagpapaunlad sa kanilang mga gawa. Pangalawa ay multimedia works are created by combining content, music, text, graphics, illustrations, photographs, software that is protected under copyright law. Developers and publishers must avoid infringing copyright owned by others. So, yung mga gawa daw po ng mga multimedia ay nilikha sa pamamagitan ng mga pagsasama-sama ng content. Yun yung tulad ng mga music, text, graphics, illustrations, photographs, and software. Kung saan ito yung mga protektado ng batas ng copyright. Sinasabi po dito na dapat iwasan ng mga developers and publishers yung pag-copyright ng gawa ng mga iba.
Letter B. Anti-Bullying Act of 2013, Republic Act number 10627, otherwise known as the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013 of the Philippines, directs elementary and secondary school to adopt policies to address the existence of bullying in their respected institutions. Bullying refers to undeserved or repeated use by one or more students of a written or verbal or electronic expression, or a physical act or gesture, or any combination thereof, directed to another student that has the effect of actually causing or placing the letter or placing the letter in reasonable fear of physical or emotional harm or damage to his or her property, creating a hostile environment at school or the other student, infringing on the rights of the other student at the school, or materially and substantially disrupting the education process under orderly operation of the school. Ito po ay mga pumubuli ng mga kamag-aral sa isang klase nila na rason naman ng pagiging mahiyain ng kanilang binubuli, yung physical man o electronic, yung mga cellphone, Facebook or Twitter, or na konektado sa kanilang kaklase, na kanilang mga ipinupost upang pagkawalan o malaman ng iba kung ano pang mayroon sa klase nila na dapat sana ay private na lamang. One of the most common problem encountered today by internet user is bullying online, which we call cyberbullying. Consequently, it is important for teachers to be very judicious and alert in advising students as they publish their requirements online or as they communicate or collaborate through the World Wide Web. Dito po, sinasabi na ang teacher is laging alerto sa kanyang mga estudyante. Halimbawa na lang po, kung nagpapagawa siya ng video na kailangan, wala siyang masasagasaan, yung video na ginawa niya ay walang masasagasaan na iba upang hindi siya makasakit ng kanyang kapwa at hindi na rin maka-damage na kung ano pa ang property o kahit hindi makasira na kung ano o kahit sinong tao pa man. Republic Act 101751. This is known as a Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, declaring a policy states recognize the vital role of information and communication industries such as content production, telecommunication, broadcasting, electronic commerce, and data processing. In the nation overall social and economic development, the state also recognized the importance of providing an environment conducive to develop acceleration and rational application and exploitation of information and communication technology or ICT to attain free, easy, and intelligible access to exchange or to deliver information and the need to protect and safeguard the integrity of computer and communication system networks and the database and the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information and data stored therein for all forms of misuse, abuse, and illegal access by making punishable under the law. The law shall product or conduct. In this light, the states shall adopt sufficient power to effectively prevent and combat such offense by facilitating their detections, investigations, and prosecutions at both and domestic and international levels and by providing arrangement for fast and reliable international cooperations. Dito po, isang po na naman po dito yung free and easy intelligible access to exchange or deliver of information and need to protect and safeguard the integrity of computers. Isang po na lamang po dito yung Facebook na kailangan natin mag-private message o PM, kailangan email, halimbawa na po yung email, yung sa mga Instagram. Dito po nakapaloob yung mga yung mga batas o mga punishment na kung saan mapapataw sa isang tao kapag nilabag niya yung batas na ito, yung Republic Act 101751. Yan po. Dito po nakapaloob yung punishment at yung kahalagahan na rin at yung pagiging private na dapat i-private na kung sino pa man gumagamit ng computer o cellphone o electronic na gadgets na kung saan nakapagpadali ng ating gawain at nakapagbigay na rin ng safety sa ating mga information na kung saan dapat lang tayo lang o ang private usap mo lang ang nakaalam o family something na may dapat yung sabihin na hindi malalaman ng iba o hindi makapasa sa kanila yung impormasyon na dapat ay sa inyo lang.
Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ang aking tatalakayin ay patungkol sa Blog Assessment Criteria. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga kriteryang ito? Una ay ang project, general information of the development of the project. Ito ay nagsasaad ng pagtatala ng kabuuang impormasyon patungkol sa anumang proyektong pangwika na kailangan maisakatuparan. Ang mga kailangang impormasyon patungkol dito ay ang title of the project, pangalawa, targeted language competencies of the project, pangatlo, the aim of the project, at pang-apat ay ang beneficiaries of the project. Pangalawa, pedagogical and technological contents. It needs to discuss the mentoring methods used by the members of the group to be able to accomplish the project. Ito ay pagtalakay ng mga pagtuturo na ginamit ng mga membro upang maisakatuparan ang proyekto. Pangatlo, project plan. The group blog will also present how the group was able to plan their project and how they are able to implement the plan. Ito ay ang pagpapakita ng kung paano ang paggawa ng kanilang plano at kung paano nila ito maisa sa katuparan. Pang-apat, project development. The group blog will feature the processes and their experiences while developing the project. Dito naman ay tinatampok ng pangkat ang mga proseso at ang kanilang mga karanasan habang binubuo ang nasabing proyekto. Panglima, aesthetic. For this criterion, please remember that the content is king but the design is queen. Dito naman sa ikalimang criteria, dapat lagi nating tandaan na ang content o nilalaman ng ating ginagawang blog assessment ay ang siyang hari, habang ang disenyo naman ay ang siyang reyna. Sa paggawa nito o sa pagbuo nito, i-considera natin ang mga sumusunod na kwalifikasyon. Una ay ang user friendliness. Ito dapat ay readable o nababasa, navigable and usable. Pangalawa, reading enjoyment. Kaya nasabi dito is content is king. Writing on a blog should not sound stiff and cold because it should primarily be written with a personal touch. Pangatlo, useful information. At ang pang-apat ay ang overall experience with great content, design, usability, and interesting. Pang-anim ay ang reflection. After doing the project, it is very important for you to share your lesson learned and cite some possible suggestions as to how to improve the project and implementation. Dito ay mahalaga na pagkatapos ng pagbuo ng proyekto, mahalaga na ibahagi natin ang ating natutunan at magmungkahi ng mga posibleng suhestyon upang mapabuti ang nasabing proyekto. Ngayon, ating balikan ang mga blog assessment criteria. Una ay ang project, general information of the development project. Ito ay may kabuuhang 15%. Pangalawa, pedagogical and technological contents. Ito ay meron ding 15%. Pangatlo, project plan. Ito ay may kabuuhang 20%. Pang-apat ay project development. Ito ay may kabuuhang 20%. Panglima, aesthetic. Ito ay may 15%. At ang panghuli ay ang reflection. Ito ay may 15% rin. Sa kabuuhan, ito ay nagtataglay po ng 100%. sa pagbuo ng flag assessment criteria. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.